Hi, my name is Ashley Sidario, and I'm an instructional designer here at Top Hat. Today, we will be going through a Top Hat question report. Question reports give professors a detailed view to see how students performed overall on a particular concept. Within the question report, you can provide feedback to the class as a whole or to individual students. Starting off in the Gradebook tab, begin expanding the folders to reveal columns for individual questions. Hover over the cell containing the question title for an individual question and click on it. The layout of the question report includes where the question is nested, when it was asked, number of responses, the question itself, the average scores, and the individual student's grade broken down between participation and correctness. When reviewing a student's response to a question, you may need to click See Response to view it. You can adjust students' grades by editing the values in the participation and correctness fields if needed. There is also the option to leave feedback for the entire class. In order to do this, you will need to click the Leave Feedback for Class button in the header of the question report. From here, a modal will pop up in the center of the screen containing a text field into which the instructor can type their comments. They can then click Leave Class Feedback. If you need to edit or remove class feedback, simply click Remove or Edit on the comment in the report. Additionally, through the question report, you can excuse specific students from the question or leave them individual feedback by clicking the 3 stacked dots to the right of the student's entry in the report. Leveraging the question report is a great way to have insight on how students are doing with Top Hat questions. It provides details regarding students' responses and allows instructors to provide feedback to the students. For more information regarding the Top Hat Gradebook, including its various functionalities and how to leverage Gradebook data, visit our knowledge base.